So today in Cook the Book, I am doing you a recipe from my book. It was basa in light tomato gravy. Now the thing is, I'm not too fond of basa, but I put this in the book because at that time basa was a huge trend. Today I'm going to do you a tomato recipe, but I'm going to use prawns, and it's a bit like the Spanish gambas, but it's still a little different. So basically I'm cooking the book, but I'm cooking the book my way. I'm going to put oil. Yep, like this. A lot of garlic. So now that our garlic is so well cooked and is nearly crispy, we're going to be adding tomatoes on a really high flame. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes, some salt, less than quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of lal mirchi powder. Actually, I would prefer cayenne pepper, but my cayenne pepper is over. So if any of you out there know a good sauce that I can find cayenne pepper, please do tell me. A few capers for that lovely tangy taste. Throwing in the prawns. Prawns don't take more than 5 to 7 minutes to completely cook. So don't overcook it. So what I've done here is I've kept the head of the prawn because it lends a beautiful flavor to the dish. Just toss this around. Always taste your wine. Some of it in. Just a little bit of parsley, ready to serve. I love it. And if you learn how to make this, you will love it too.